Pressure from the UN Security Council and efforts by the International Criminal Court have done little by way of justice for the Libyan people as fugitives remain at large, according to ICC Chief Prosecutor Fatou Bensouda in her latest briefing to the Security Council. Of the 3 ongoing ICC cases on Libya, arrest warrants remain out for 3 individuals. Saif al-Islam Gaddafi, the second son of former Libyan leader Muammar Gaddafi, remains at large. He is being accused of crimes against humanity for murder and persecution. Also wanted are Mohammed Khalid el-Tuhami, the former head of the Libyan Internal Security Agency, as well as Mahmoud Mustafa Boussaïf el-Wafali, a commander in the El-Saika Brigade.
There can be no justice for the victims, and the aims of prevention and deterrence are hindered unless suspects are arrested and transferred to the court to stand trial. If ICC fugitives are permitted to remain at large, the mandate of the court to hold responsible those responsible for the most serious crimes of concern to the international community will continue to be frustrated. And the Council's referral of the situation in Libya to the ICC will be rendered ineffective.
The Libyan ambassador to the United Nations also acknowledged the lack of progress in his country's attempt to pursue and punish suspects and tried to reassure the Security Council that this was not because of his government's lack of resolve to prosecute, but a result of continuing security challenges in conflict-torn Libya.
It is a delay that was imposed by the security conditions Libya is witnessing, which are normal in countries experiencing conflict. Our national judiciary has in fact begun the trials of a number of suspects and has issued decisions of convictions for some and acquittals for others.
Meanwhile, the ICC is also investigating continued violence in Libya, where the chief prosecutor said armed groups have been fighting for control and committing serious human rights violations, and where alleged crimes such as killings, sexual violence, torture and enslavement are being committed against migrants who are using Libya as a transit point. Liling Tan, CGTN, New York.